Hello everybody, I am back with a Human Nature Taste Test Extravaganza, and in today's episode we're having a little look at Smoky BBQ, so heads up!
Ooh.
Ooh.
Smoky.
Oh, that smells so smoky.
Very smoky.
Sweet and smoky at the same time.
Pea rings?
They taste nice, very strong.
Nice, barbecuey.
They taste just like they've been on the barbecue.
Oh, their ones are lovely.
You might not get these back. More subtle than I was expecting, but good.
Good.
They're quite interesting.
Can I have some more of those?
So it's thumbs up all round. Isn't it great when you can find an alternative, healthier snack and do some good for the planet at the same time? So why not treat yourself, your insides and the planet by picking up a packet of Human Nature crisps today. Every pack plants a tree, each packaging contains 3.5 grams of previously ocean-bound plastic, it's 40% less fat and it's 100% vegan. Well, best not waste this packet. See ya!